In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-step verification on LinkedIn. This is a great security setting to turn on because it adds an extra layer of protection to your account. That means even if someone gets hold of your password, they'll still need a second verification step before they can sign in. To begin, go to your LinkedIn profile dashboard. Once you're on the main LinkedIn screen, look to the top row and click on the Me drop-down. This opens the account menu where you can access your personal settings. From that menu, click on Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the page where LinkedIn keeps all of your account, sign-in, and privacy options in one place. Next, in the left-hand column, click on Sign-in and Security. This section is where you manage login-related settings, including password protection and verification options. Now find and click on Two-Factor Authentication. On the next screen, click Setup to start the process. LinkedIn may first ask you to verify your identity before you continue, which is a normal part of enabling security features. If prompted, click into the 6-digit code field and enter the code that LinkedIn sends to your email. Make sure you use the most recent code and enter it exactly as shown. After that, click Submit. You'll then move to the setup page for your authentication method. Make sure the selected method is Authenticator app, then click Continue. In some cases, LinkedIn may ask you to verify again by entering your password before moving forward. If that happens, type in your password and click Submit. Next, LinkedIn will display a QR code. Take your phone, open your Authenticator app, and scan the QR code shown on the screen. This connects your LinkedIn account to the app so it can generate secure login codes for you. After scanning, click Continue. Your Authenticator app will now create a time-based verification code. Enter that code into the field on LinkedIn. Since these codes refresh quickly, it's a good idea to type it in right away to avoid it expiring. Finally, click Confirm. Once that's done, two-step verification will be enabled on your LinkedIn account. From now on, when you sign in, LinkedIn may ask for a code from your Authenticator app in addition to your password. That small extra step can make a big difference in keeping your account secure. If you found this helpful, you can follow the same path later if you ever want to review or update your sign-in security settings.